Don't be too quick to throw away used tea leaves and spoiled milk. These two items, often dismissed as mere household waste, can be utilized as organic material to help enrich the soil and support plant growth. Don't be in a rush to throw away used tea leaves. With proper processing, they can be utilized as organic matter to help boost nutrient levels for cucumber plants. Preparation method. Place the used tea leaves into a container. Add 2 liters of clean water. Stir until well mixed. Cover the container and store it in a shaded area for 5 hours. Afterward, strain the mixture and collect the liquid. Dilute the solution before applying it to cucumber plants. Used tea leaves can be utilized as an additional source of organic matter for cucumber plants. Some of the benefits include adding organic matter to the growing medium or soil once decomposed, helping to improve soil structure, making the soil looser and more friable, assisting the soil in retaining moisture when used in appropriate amounts, reducing household waste by repurposing used tea leaves, serving as an additive for compost or organic fertilizer to support cucumber plant growth. Add 3 liters of water and stir until the tea grounds are evenly mixed. Let it sit for a while to allow the essence of the tea grounds to dissolve into the water. Afterward, strain the mixture to separate the tea grounds from the liquid. The liquid fertilizer is ready for use once diluted according to the cucumber plant's needs. Stir until well mixed, and the liquid organic fertilizer made from tea dregs is ready to be applied to the cucumber plants. Combining tea grounds with milk powder for cucumber plants. Tea grounds can be combined with milk powder to create a simple organic fertilizer that helps increase organic matter around cucumber plants. The benefits of combining used tea leaves and powdered milk for cucumber plants include adding organic matter to the soil medium, helping to improve soil conditions and support microorganism activity, helping to provide nutrients derived from decomposing organic matter, supporting cucumber plant growth when used as a fertilizer supplement, utilizing leftover tea leaves and milk, thereby preventing waste. Application method. Once the mixture of tea grounds and powdered milk has been prepared and strained, pour an appropriate amount onto the soil around the base of the cucumber plant. Use approximately 100 to 200 milliliters of the solution per plant for cucumber plants that are sufficiently mature. It can be applied once or twice a week as a source of organic matter. Ideally, apply the mixture in the morning or late afternoon, and avoid pouring it directly onto the leaves or stems. It can be used during the summer, but keep the following points in mind. Apply in the morning or late afternoon. Avoid doing so when the sun is intense. Ensure the soil is sufficiently moist before application. Use a light dosage to avoid stressing the cucumber plants. Application method. Pour the liquid tea dreg fertilizer onto the soil around the base of the cucumber plant. Do not apply it directly to the stem. Dosage. Use approximately 100 to 200 milliliters of liquid fertilizer per plant, applying it once every 7 to 14 days. If the solution is still concentrated, dilute it with water before application. The best time for application is in the morning, around 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, or late afternoon, 1600 to 1800, when the sun is not too intense. Avoid application during the heat of the day or during heavy rain. Tea dregs processed into liquid fertilizer can be used as a supplementary fertilizer for various plants, such as cucumbers, chilies, tomatoes, eggplants, mustard greens, and water spinach. Legumes. Fruit-bearing plants, e.g., mango, guava, and citrus. Flowering plants and ornamental plants use in moderation and avoid excessive concentration, as tea dregs are not a substitute for a complete fertilizer. Results. After the regular application of liquid fertilizer made from tea dregs at the appropriate dosage, the cucumber plants grew more vigorously, the leaves appeared greener, and overall plant growth improved. With proper care, the cucumber plants also grew healthily and produced good yields. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this information on using tea dregs for plants proves useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one.